Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing a farm vlog video. I'll just be kind of going around and doing some cleaning up the barn and unloading and stuff because we just got back from Tractor Supply not too long ago. So I have some stuff to unload from the truck and the trailer to put in the barn, and I have to clean Faith's stall and do some cleaning in the coop. So I have a few things I want to get done at the barn. We are finally getting some cloud coverage down here because it's so hot today. Like it's really hot. I'm so ready for fall. But I have some things to do down there that I want to get done while it's cloudy, because when the sun comes out, it makes it so hot. So I just want to go ahead and go get that done and take care of all the animals, make sure everybody's got fresh water and bedding, because I know the chickens need more water. So I already took these out of the truck. We actually got 2 bags because there was a deal at Tractor Supply. So these are, let's see, these are peanut butter flavored biscuits for the dogs. And we went to go buy some. We're like, oh, there's actually a deal for 2 for $12. So we got 2 bags of this. It's a really big bag. It's like 4 pounds. And the dogs absolutely love them. They're very, very good. He loves them so much, don't you, buddy? But we got those for them today because they're running low on treats. And there was a great deal on them because they're having a big sale for Pet Appreciation Week. So I got those for them and they love them. I let Rosie and Tucker try some and they really like them. Yeah, they love them so much. They love anything peanut butter flavored, like anything. They're not really picky, so they really enjoyed these. Y'all, so I got all of this unloaded. I think first thing I'm gonna do is get the mineral block in a pail for Faith, because I washed one for her and put it in her stall. If I could get this. There we go. Just like that. We broke one. Of course. I gotta clean that up. That doesn't happen too often. I gotta clean this one. rock stars got. Oh, you're the one that ate the eggs. Now I gotta clean you off too, little missy. That is not good. You don't eat eggs. You'll have plenty of corn and scratch to eat. Right, we got 5 eggs. I think we got about 3 this morning. Also need to rinse her down because she's sweating. Because little Miss Rockstar decided to eat an egg. So gotta clean it out. So I got her stall all clean now. I got some fresh bedding in here for her. She's got water. I gave her salt lick. So yeah, look, they're enjoying it too. They love clean shavings. Y'all love it? y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here and go take a shower. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, get notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.